this is Therese Couture, founder of ThereseSquare.com, and today I'm going to give you a quick start guide into Pinterest. And if you haven't heard about Pinterest yet, you will hear about it soon, but I'm sure you have. If you haven't heard about it, Pinterest is taking the web by storm. People love this new social platform, and what it is a virtual pin board, and it allows you to pin all things that you love while you're browsing the web. So I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, I loved any kind of board, chalkboards, whiteboards, whatever it is. And if you think about it, a lot of the electronics people use, like the iPad, is a board, some form of board. So Pinterest allows you to pin, as their terminology, anything that you like while you are browsing the web. So in order to get access to Pinterest, you actually need an invite, or you need someone who already is a Pinterest user to invite you. So it's similar to how Google Plus started. And what you can do is either find someone through social media, post it on your Facebook or your Twitter to invite you to Pinterest, or request an invite. And that takes a couple of days to a week to get that invite. Once you have the invite, Pinterest, you log in using either your Facebook or your Twitter account. So this is how you would log into their system. So once you log in, you'll land on your Pinterest home screen or news feed, whatever you want to call it. And in the center, what you'll see are all the pins from the people you currently are following on Pinterest. So these are all the pinners that I follow. And once you see a pin, let's say you find that specific pin interesting and you want to share that pin, what you can do is simply hover over the pin and either repin it, which means that it will post on your Pinterest. You can like it or you can comment. And if you click on comment, it will comment directly from whatever social account you are logged in as. So that's the cool part. To the left of that, you can see all the recent activities. So these are all the different people who have started following me on Pinterest. And what the other thing I want to bring to your attention is that when you click on the add button, that allows you to add a pin. So if you click on add a pin, you can find images from a specific URL. If you can upload a pin, or you can create a board. And a board is what you can think of as an umbrella of interest. So let's say you have interest in fashion, dresses, or wedding dresses, then you can create a board specifically for that. To create a board in Pinterest, you will simply go to add and then click on create a board. And from here, this is where you can select your board name and then choose your category, and then decide on whether you are the only one who can pin or contributors can pin as well. So this is how you create a board. So let's say I want to write a board that has design inspiration, and then I select whatever category that's under. Let's put it under art, actually. And then I want to be the only one who pins, and then I click on create board. So it has created the board, and for me to edit the board, I can simply hit on edit. And as you can see, it has already one follower, and that's me. So if you create a board, you're going to automatically be following your own board. And then if you want to edit it, just click on edit. So if I go to my name and then boards, I will see that that design inspiration board has been created. Also on this home screen, you can see a little bit about your bio. You can see who has repinned you. This is where you'll be able to edit your profile. And in the next training video, we will go into a little bit more on tips of how you can use Pinterest for your business. The other thing that you'll want to do is to get the Pin It button and add that to your bookmark. So you simply do that by going to About and then clicking on Pin It button, and you simply have to drag this button to your bookmarks bar. So let's show you how that works. So I would just drag this button into bookmarks and then click OK, and here it is. And to see it at work, let's say I'm browsing the web and this is actually my newsletter and let's say I want to pin that. I can simply click on Pin It, and then I can choose what image I want to pin. So I'll pin this image, and I can choose what category. So I'll put this under social media goodies, and then I could write a short description. So grow your biz with social media and get free weekly tips. Okay, so, and then I can click on Pin It. And from here, I can either tweet my pin or see my pin. So once you go back to your home page or your profile page, you'll see that what I just pinned, social media goodies, shows up right here. And if I click on it, it opens up my social media goodies board. And then you can see it right here. I can repin it, and I can also edit it as well, which will allow me to change whatever I just wrote. And you can also delete your pin, and if you do make any edits, be sure to save it. The other thing is that you'll want to make sure to invite your friends on Pinterest. So you simply do that by clicking Invite Friends, and you can connect via email, via Facebook, or via Gmail. Once you do that, and then you send your invites. So to go back to your Pinterest news feed, you simply want to click on Pinterest in the middle, the logo, and as you can see, what I just pinned actually shows up in the stream. And so this has been your intro into Pinterest. Be sure to look out for the next video, which will give you some more tips on how you can use Pinterest for your business. I have some really cool ideas that you will definitely want to tune in for. So this is Therese Couture of ThereseSquare.com, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching.